Footage of a meteorite falling from the sky was captured by a number of residents throughout Michigan and further afield on Tuesday evening. A bright light, understood to be the soaring fireball exploding above Michigan, was seen as far away as Chicago and even across the border in Canada. The United States Geological Survey said a 2.0 magnitude earthquake struck the area at the same time as the meteorite. This would suggest it came crashing down to Earth, but there has been no official confirmation of this yet. Hundreds of people reported the extraordinary astronomical event, and some captured some amazing videos. The American Meteor Society says it received hundreds of reports of a fireball Tuesday night over the state, including many in the Detroit area. Reports also came in from several other states and Ontario, Canada. Some Michigan residents reported their homes shaking. The society says the reports suggest a space rock penetrated deep into the Earth's atmosphere before it broke apart. Bill Cook with NASA's Meteoroid Environment Office tells the Detroit News it was definitely a meteoroid and a rare sight for Michigan. Other states where people reported seeing a fireball included Illinois, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Indiana, and Missouri. Ingham County Emergency Management Update sent out a text message to residents reading, "Multiple sources report that a fireball meteor was seen over the county earlier this evening." While many also reported an explosion, there is no indication that anything landed on the ground or caused damage. Most likely it was the boom of the meteor breaking apart. And that there is no need to call 911. Mike Narlick, head of astronomy at Cranbrook Institute of Science, told the Detroit Metro Times the flash of light was seen as far away as Chicago. The Windy City sits 200 miles away from where the meteor is said to have exploded above Michigan. Mr. Narlick said, "I have heard people saw it as far as Chicago, which if that's true that tells me it happened pretty high up in the atmosphere if they're seeing it from that distance." He estimated the meteor, believed to be a bolide meteor, exploded between 6 to 10 miles from the ground. A bolide, also known as a fireball, is a special type of meteor that explodes in a bright terminal flash. Fragmentation is often seen as a result of the explosion, which occurs at the end of the fireball's lifespan. A similar phenomenon was seen above Russia in 2013, and the fireball can be silent or crackling as it moves through the atmosphere. Mr. Narlick said the chances of the meteor making it to Earth intact is rare. America's National Weather Service, NWS, put out a statement on the extraordinary climate conditions saying, after reviewing several observational datasets, the NWS can confirm the flash and boom was not thunder or lightning, but instead a likely meteor. We continue to monitor feeds from astronomical agencies for official confirmation of a meteor. Michigan man Alan Park caught the rare sight and later posted the clip to Instagram. My Wi-Fi camera finally caught something cool. Hashtag Metro Detroit Meteor, Chris Lane wrote on the social media site. His clip shows a street view of a quiet, snowy residential neighborhood located just outside of Detroit. As the camera focuses on cars going by, the night sky increasingly turns a cosmic green. At the top of the screen, a small object can be seen plummeting towards Earth, remarkably lighting up the surrounding area as if it's the early afternoon. Another clip shows the unidentified flying object slicing across the winter sky as a car's dash cam races down the highway.